All right, this is now part 4, I want to say, part 4. So we're looking at my name here. I'm using the Crealta Ender 3. Those are the 3D printers I have. We're using PLA filament, and these are the settings. If I want to print supports, I'd click this, but my object is already made with that in mind, so it doesn't have any overhang. So I'm not having any adhesion or anything, so I'm just going to leave it like that. What I do is I slice it. And this is where the computer tells the motor, you need to move the printer head in these spots while extruding the filament to get the plastic into the right spot. Okay. Now, it tells me that this will take 16 minutes and it's going to use 1 gram or 0.4 meters of filament. 0.4 meters, I have 773 meters. That's $20. So 0.4 of 700 and multiply that by 25. So I'm just going to do the math real quick. Let's see here, my calculator here. If I take 0.4, divide that by 778, I want to say, that's the fraction of the cost of what that is. Now I multiply that by $25. And it's going to cost me about a penny to print this.
A penny?
About a penny. Okay, so that's why the 3D printer is very cost effective. Now, mind you, yeah, if I'm printing every little stupid thing I come up with, I'll run out of filament. But it's fairly inexpensive to try something. So that's why I really like it for this 3D printing thing. So what I'll do is I'll save to file. And I actually have a special SD card that I will copy this to. Alright, so there's this. I save it to my SD here. I don't know. I save it to my removable. Oh, cancel. Save to removable. And then it gives me an option to eject that. And now I'm just going to go and print this while you guys are working on your thing. So I'll kind of put the camera here. Can you kind of see okay?
Not really.
Not really?
I need to prop it up.
A little bit. So going to turn this guy on. I put my SD card in here. And so from this screen, I don't think you can really tell what's going on. I'll hit prepare auto home. Puts the X, Y, and Z axis at the 0. It's got little stepper motors here, which we haven't really messed with too much, but it's essentially a button. And when it detects that button touch, it says, okay, I'm at 0. I go to here, I say print from SD. Scroll down to the bottom because I've got all my previous auto stuff. And then Fantastic Rodus is what this was called because I didn't rename it. And right now it's heating the bed so that the plastic stays kind of melty. And then it's going to heat this part, the extruder, and then it's going to print this out. All right, I'm going to pause the video and I'll start up another load when it starts printing, and I guess I'll post a video of that. Let's see here. The printer, well, 1 second.